Hi everyone, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy, and I just want to remind everyone that as we're going through what's clearly a very difficult time, especially, well, in the world generally, but especially in education, that the entire team here at Khan Academy is dedicated to making sure that teachers and parents and students feel and are as supported as possible. But I also like to remind everyone that we're not for profit, and we can only exist because of philanthropic donations from folks like yourself. So if you believe in a free world-class education for anyone anywhere, which I think is more relevant than ever, please think about making a donation to Khan Academy. We were running at a deficit even before the COVID crisis hit, and you can imagine once the crisis hit, our traffic has been 2 to 3x of what it typically is. Our registrations are 10 to 20x of normal, and we're trying to accelerate a whole series of programs. Not only supporting the server load, we've accelerated Get Ready for grade level courses, which make sure that students around the world have the ability to fill in any gaps they need so that they're optimally ready to learn at their own time and pace at grade level. We're trying to support teachers and parents with webinars, students with as many supports that we can provide them. But all of this is only possible if we have donations from folks like yourself. So if you're in a position to do so, please think about making a donation to Khan Academy. Thank you.